May we bring to the notice of the Nigerian that President Wike and Stampede have flagrantly mobilized the security architecture of the country to unleash violence and mayhem on river people. We agree.
I told you that Nigerian youths are getting wiser by the day. No wonder a wise man once said you can fool some people all the time, you can fool all the people sometimes, but you can never fool all the people all the time. How can Wike think actually that he can fool and control the entire River State people and put them in his pocket after ruling as governor for 8 years, benefiting from the resources of the Nigerian state as a local government chairman, as a chief of staff, as a governor, as a minister 2 times, and you still want to control the resources of River State? Now, the Ogoni Youth Federation, the Andon Youth Federation, the National Association of Nigerian Students, Ijo Youth Council, Niger Delta Activist Forum, Rivers Traditional Council, women, men, and youth has said no to Governor Wike, no to Fubara, that Fubara should never adhere to the agreement that was signed by Bola Ahmed Tinubu in Aso Rock. I'd like you to see the massive crowd that mounted at the River State Brick House to say and protest against Nyesom Wike. Do you want to hit the comment section? Let's get to know what your thinking is, as we shall continually be here to serve you.
Ogoni Youth Federation, Andon Youth Federation, National Union of River State Students, National Association of Nigerian Students, South Zone, the Ijo Youth Council, Past North Leaders, Niger Delta Activist Forum, River State Traditional Rulers Council, the Muslim Community, Elder Statesmen, Women Group, Niger Delta Democratic Alliance, Niger Delta School Initiative, stakeholders are by this World Press Conference calling on all River State people from all walks of life to be prepared and ready to occupy the whole state in series of non-violent protests as our way to violently reject and blatantly oppose the rumored and purported resolution reached at the end of a meeting that held on Monday, December 18, 2013 at the Aso Rock As between His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, His Excellency Sim Fubara, JSRS, and the FCT Minister, President Wike. If the purported resolution making the rounds are true, then it is crystal clear that the plan to enslave River people and bring our dear state under the control of one man in terms of President Wike has been set in motion. May we allow to the Nigerian people that River State cannot become the estate of anyone individual, and therefore we urge all our individuals and residents in River State to be ready for long-drawn non-violent protests valid in the state. Going by the purported resolution, there seems to be the signature of the Deputy Governor of River State, Sir Fubara, on that infamous agreement. May we allow to the Executive Governor, Sir Fubara, that River people voted him into office and therefore cannot allow him to bring the people into disrepute by signing some agreement that is acting to selling our collective hegemony to one individual, President Wike, who seemingly is enjoying the support of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. A critical analysis of the purported resolution revealed that at no point is the interest of the River people, River State mentioned or even accommodated. Rather, the ill-fated resolution depicts the abusive chair of power for obvious political gain of Mr. President and his FCT Minister. Among other ill-advised resolutions is the infamous agreement that states that commissioner who personally resigned their office are allowed to be forced back on the people of River State. Mr. President, sir, if that bill of the resolution sound fair to you, would it not be also be fair enough to direct the 27 members of River State House of Assembly who defected to APC to be forced to return to their party of original view to the PDP? No, before we talk out. May we bring to the notice of the Nigerian that President Wike and Stampede have flagrantly mobilized the security architecture of the country to unleash violence and mayhem on river people. We agree. don't release them. You don't release them. You don't release them. We are therefore calling on the Inspector General of Police to call to order the aforementioned police officer in order to forestall breakdown of law and order in Rivers State. Are we going to allow the police to continue to intimidate us? Are we going to continue to intimidate us? Are we going to allow my to be direct to our people? Are we going to allow not to direct to our people? Are we going to allow everything to direct to our people? We therefore use this medium to call on the Inspector General of Police to call his men to order. Well, in the same way, we call on the international community, Nigeria at home and in diaspora, to be aware of this sinister plot by the FCK Minister, President Wike, and his crony, Chief of Staff to the President, against Rivers State and our people. A critical analysis of the important resolution review a barrage of illegalities, and more so, at no point was the interest of the people of Rivers State mentioned or even accommodated. They mention our name. They mention our name. Igbo can. Igbo can. Igbo can. The mysterious essence of this resolution can also be seen in the last point in the document where the issue of local government capital committee was mentioned. We get caretaker for Rivers State. No be elected chairman there for office. Waiting concern governor with president with governor with local government chairman for Rivers State. Who will allow them? Who will allow them? It is amazing how Mr. President has allowed and supported a caretaker committee of his own party, the APC in Rivers State, but directing the executive governor of Rivers State not to consider the use of caretaker committee as local government council of the same state. President Bola Tinubu should rather show good example by only organizing the only duly elected Rivers State executive of the Up-Regulated Congress and the not the Tony of Better Caretaker Committee. Don't say we talk them. Don't say we talk them. Don't say we talk them. We dey fear them. It is important to remind Nigerians that the APC-led government in Imo and Ondo State are currently under local government caretaker committee. Why is Mr. President proposing a different type of Rivers State? Would the always be different? Would the always be different?
You've seen it for yourself. Now, I think that this political class does not know what they are up against. Being adamant will lead to a breakdown of law and order. I know that they always want to find a way around having what they want to go through, but the truth is that this may actually lead to anarchy. Now, you can see the crowd for yourself that came out at the Rivers State Government House to say a big no to the continuation of the control of Fubara by Jetison Wike, the former governor of Rivers State and the current FCT minister. You have served as a local government chairman. You have served as a chief of staff. You have served as a governor. You have served as a minister 2 times, benefited from the resources of Rivers State, benefited from the resources of Nigeria. Why then do you want to continue ruling and controlling the people against the development of the people? Sometimes I actually wonder if these guys have people who advise them. You have served, why not step aside? But no, greed will not allow them to step aside. Let the next person who is the governor to do the needful. I'm really glad that Nigerian youths are beginning to become aware of the current political situation of Nigeria to put a stop to this anomaly in the Nigerian political system. Please do want to hit the comment section, give us a like as a means of courtesy to the producers of this content, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Thank you so much to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.